This amazing Brentwood 2 with media floor plan from First Texas Homes in the Collinsbrook Farm community in Frisco, Texas, is a 5-bedroom, 4 baths, 2-car garage floor plan that offers 4,434 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry with wood accent, a turret front elevation, and an oversized covered front porch that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer of this Brentwood 2 floor plan, you'll find architectural arches, high ceilings, and engineered wood floors throughout. Right off the foyer is an elegant formal living and dining room with tray ceiling, custom molding, and beautiful windows, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Pass through the formal dining room into the gourmet kitchen, featuring an island with granite countertops, butler's pantry, built-in stainless steel appliances, including stainless steel oven and microwave, and a 5-burner gas cooktop. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful spiral staircase, marvelous high ceilings, large beautiful windows, and a custom tile fireplace with wood mantel. Tucked behind the staircase is the private study with double French doors, crown molding, built-in shelving, and beautiful windows with sitting bench, making this a perfect home office. Also, adjacent from the private study, you will find a full powder bath with shower. The private master suite features a tray ceiling with crown molding and unique lighting, and beautiful bay windows with a separate reading corner. The master bath features split vanity with makeup area, a relaxing corner garden tub, an extended walk-in shower with sitting bench and custom tiles, and large master closets. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with pre-surround sound wiring and plenty of space for the kids to relax, study, or simply do their own thing. The media room features a vaulted ceiling, a wet bar, stadium platform, built-in shelving, and surround sound wiring, perfect for family entertaining. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, spacious closet space, a conjoining bathroom, and another full bath complete the second floor. The Brentwood 2 floor plan also includes a Texas-sized covered patio and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Brentwood 2 with media floor plan is now available in the community of Collinsbrook Farm in Frisco, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Brentwood 2 with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.